You know, our society acknowledges and understands the real risks that drunk driving presents in the community. And that makes the injury, a person who's injured by a drunk driver, their response is almost more severe because they know that everyone knows they shouldn't be out driving drunk. Everyone knows they shouldn't be over serving people who are going to go out driving. And that causes a higher level than ordinary of stress and stress response because it seems like it's something that is and should be preventable and should have been prevented. You know, investigation and information are the important things. There is real short time frames when we're dealing with dram shop over service cases. You know, these bars have kind of got a contract with society that says we're going to allow you to serve this chemical that causes limitations, but you have to be careful when you're doing it. And so we have to investigate and find that person because there's a very short window of time under Idaho law, 6 months, that we have to let them know we know what you did, bar, in over serving this drunk that injured our client. And so you want to let folks know we have to do that investigation and then provide them information about what's it going to be like to deal with the insurance company, what's it going to be like to deal with the bills for the medical care you're getting, what's it going to be like to just move forward, and what about the criminal side of dealing with the drunk driver. You know, a dram shop case always has a drunk driver involved, so we have to deal with the drunk driver and we have to deal with the organization, the bar, the licensed bar that overserved that drunk driver. They're complex cases, and you need to have people understand that so at least they have a sense of what the next step is. The number one mistake people make when they're dealing with a situation where a drunk driver has hit them and there's a dram shop in the background is they wait too long. You know, it's 180 days. We have to put that bar on notice that that this claim exists, that we know that they've overserved, or we believe that they've overserved, that led to that drunk driving wreck that caused this injury. And so delay is the number one mistake people make when we're dealing with dram shop claims. You want somebody who understands what it takes and how to investigate bars and the background of the drinker, and to work with, frankly, the criminal lawyer for the drunk to help you get the information about where that drunk was drinking before the drunk driving accident happened, so you can get to that individual who was responsible for service. So you want somebody who knows that as your lawyer if you're going to hire a lawyer in a dram shop case. You know, and we're proud. I mean, I'm very proud that I was one of the lawyers who got the largest verdict against a dram shop in the history of the state of Idaho for what that bar did that led to a drunk, that led to deaths on our highways. And you know, you want somebody with experience, somebody who knows how to get it done. If somebody's putting off contacting a dram shop attorney, my number one thing is pick up the phone right now. Time periods are short. You're losing your rights. There's investigative work that has to be done, and we have a very short period of time to do it, and it'll be done for you for free, because it'll be done on a contingency fee basis, meaning you won't have to pay the lawyer for their time in doing that investigative work. And in fact, even if the investigative work isn't successful, you'll get that for free because they only get paid if they are successful in representing you. And so you want somebody on your side working for you right now. Don't wait.